Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at the statistics for the Thunderball in the run-up to draw 1913. The last draw was 1912. These are the main numbers: Thunderball, maximum prize, machine number 3, set of balls number 1. The Thunderball was a low number, it was odd, it was prime. The pattern seems to be high, low at the moment. If that pattern continues, the next number will be high. If it doesn't continue, the next number will be low. I usually bet that if there is a pattern, it won't continue because it's meant to be chaos, meant to be random and chaotic. So I will guess that the next Thunderball will be a low number. That means numbers 1 to 7. Possibly even, possibly not a prime number. So if we have a look at the chart for the Thunderball numbers at the moment, as we can see, number 11 is the most frequent. It's come out 158 times. There's number 9 lagging behind. 13 the most overdue. Most recently number 3, there it is. So if we're looking for a low even number that's sort of overdue or more frequent, I would probably predict number 2 because it's the most overdue low even number. So if number 2 came out, this is what it would look like. That's how the chart would look if it did come out. If it was number 6, it would look like that. So you can see what it would look like for any number basically. So now let's have a look at the main numbers. Okay, this is a chart for the main numbers at the moment. As you can see, numbers 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 are lagging considerably behind all the other numbers, which aren't even on this chart. If we flip it the other way around, here they are, most frequent at this end now, and the least frequent at that end. And the reason why those numbers, the high 30s, are lagging behind so much is because they weren't added until when the price went up from 250k to 500k. So if we omit all the results up until that point, then they should appear on this chart with all the other numbers. Here they are intermingled now. So this is the chart for the main numbers as they are at the moment on the Thunderball. And as you can see, we've got 32 most frequent, 31 most frequent as well. Most overdue is number 33. At the head of the dense region here, we've got number 20. And then we've got the other numbers sort of more scattered towards the back of the chart, getting denser towards the front of the chart. Look at it the other way around. See, 37's lagging behind. So we've got sort of a dense region here with a bit of a gap around it. So I'm going to assume that about 3 of the 5 numbers that will be drawn will probably come out of this dense little region, and you'll probably get 2 from around it. That's just looking at the chart based on the laws of averages, because for every 8 numbers on this chart, one number will be drawn. So if we make a little box with 8 numbers on it, anywhere on this chart, then it's safe to assume that one of those numbers will be drawn. Because 1 out of every 8 numbers will be drawn on average. So if you look at the draw history, at the moment you can see it's machines 2 and 3 that are being used, and sets of balls 1 to 4. So if we go on the chart and omit the data from all the other machines and all the other sets of balls, then we get a different chart that looks like this. And this is basically the data that we need to concentrate on at the moment. So let's look at the draw history again. So last 2 draws it's been number 3. We had number 2 for a while. So I think it's probably more likely to be machine number 2 that they use. As you can see, number 18 is much more frequent than the other numbers, which is almost anomalous, because the same seems to be true with the other machine. Number 3, as you can see, 18 is one of the more frequent ones. So looking at the data from both those machines together, I'm going to predict that one of these numbers in this column will be drawn, because it's very densely packed in that column. Here we've got the head of the dense region here, that's the dense region. We've got the overdue, most frequent, one that's lagging behind, some are scattered next to it. So look at the chart for the Thunderball in that same data. See, it's looking like a lot of low numbers here in the middle. Not many high numbers in the middle. Seems kind of weird. So if the next Thunderball is going to be low, so that this pattern doesn't continue, it seems like number 2 is the most overdue low number in this current trend. So I would guess the next Thunderball will probably be number 2, and if it is, this is what it will look like. That's how the chart will change. It will come out there. Seems to be consistent with the pattern, if there is a pattern. So if we look at the chart for the main numbers that have come out with number 2 on those 2 machines and those 4 sets of balls, now the most frequent is 34. Let's see where number 18 is. Three, 16, 44. Oh, there it is. That's where it is. That looks like a good place for it to be. So would I bet on number 18? I don't know. Let's have a look at the full chart again. Number 18 is way ahead of the other numbers. Could be kind of an engineering anomaly in the machine or something. I don't know. let's see what it would look like if number 18 did come out. That's what it would look like. So I'm not going to pick any other numbers. I'm just going to show you the chart that you need to be looking at if you want to predict your numbers for the next draw. Basically, I wouldn't worry too much about which Thunderball to choose, but looking at this chart, I'd say you probably want to pick maybe one number out of this region, possibly one of these numbers. You definitely want at least one out of this column, and then maybe one from either side of it. So I'd pick one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these if I was you, if you want to win the Thunderball jackpot. So I hope this video has helped you to pick your numbers. Thanks for watching. See you later.